The journey begins here, where tons of raw silica sand and minerals are stored in these towering silos before being transported for melting. The process begins with the arrival of massive shipments of ultrafine silica sand, the fundamental ingredient for glass production.
Limestone and soda ash are precisely measured here. The additives are onto the
Automated scales measure exact proportions of sand and minerals before blending. Digital arms adjust gates as materials flow steadily.
The towering mixing silos begin rotating internally, blending sand and minerals into a uniform batch.
The consistency of the blended raw materials is critical, monitored visually as the flow continues uninterrupted towards the furnace.
Dust extraction arms activate above transfer points, pulling airborne particles away as materials move forward.
We need to bring the temperature down by 20 degrees.
Adjusting the primary intake now.
Inside the glass factory, the molten glass is gently stirred within the furnace, allowing bubbles and impurities to rise and dissipate.
Fully homogenized molten glass flows evenly toward the forming section without interruption. To ensure crystal clarity, the viscosity of the molten glass must be precisely controlled through the furnace settings.
Inside the glass factory, the forming line activates as green glass streams toward sherry.
Inside the glass factory, we see how sand turns into crystal clear products. Molten glass spreads into a glow.
As part of the full process, automated sensors adjust the roar spacing to achieve exact glass thickness.
Motors and sensors coordinate fluidly as the robotic arms sort the inspected sheets, directing them toward different processing lines.
The journey begins as massive sheets of polished glass glide towards the tempering stations. Here,
infrared sensors precisely track the even heat distribution as the crystal clear glass approaches its tempering point.
As the sheets exit the furnace, they undergo rapid air quenching, instantly tempering the glass. High-pressure air jets
Inside the glass factory, automated sprayers evenly apply anti-reflective coatings to glass surfaces.
There's a slight inconsistency on this panel here.
Yes, I see the streak. Let's monitor the next few.
Polishing brushes smooth the coated surfaces, enhancing shine and eliminating micro irregularities. Sheets move.
Coated and polished glass sheets are transferred to secondary cutting lines for final sizing.
Inside the glass factory, glass sheets move into precision cutting machines, where lasers and rotary cutters define exact dimensions.
Beveled edges are created by rotating grinding wheel, giving glass sheets polished both sides. Water spray.
Sensors measure thickness at multiple points on each sheet, ensuring uniformity and quality.
Inspected and stacked, the crystal clear products reach the end of secondary processing, ready for...
In the assembly section, the newly formed glass sheets arrive, ready for final configuration by our team and the automated systems.
Laminated panels exit curing tunnels and gradually cool, stabilizing their structure. Fans and controlled airflow ensure uniform cooling. The edges of laminated panels are sealed with protective materials to prevent delamination.
Panels are inspected for alignment, clarity, and internal defects after lamination. Operators use magnifiers and backlighting to detect imperfections.
To prevent scratches during handling and transport, a protective film is evenly applied to the laminated panels by the automated rollers.
The culmination of the process sees the crystal clear panels stacked with micron-level accuracy by synchronized robotic arms, ready for packaging.
From the furnaces, the flawless laminated sheets are conveyed to the packaging section, monitored by our team to prevent any collisions.
Selected laminated panels are diverted for stress and impact testing. Operators place sheets on testing rigs while sensors monitor force and resistance.
Inside the glass factory, panels undergo rapid temperature changes in thermal shock chambers to ensure durability.
Panels are tested for bending resistance under controlled loads. Mechanical presses measure deflection, while sensors record data.
Automated machines gently scratch test the surface to ensure scratch-resistant coatings are effective.
Inside the glass factory, panels that fail quality checks are diverted to a separate line for recycling or reprocessing.
Quality control sensors scan each laminated panel to verify precise dimensions and thickness.
The panels pass through optical clarity testers measuring transparency, haze, and color fidelity. Scanning beams move uniformly across the glass surfaces.
And inside the glass factory, panels are automatically sorted by quality grade using robotic diverters.
Controlled impact tests ensure safety standards are met. Mechanical hammers strike panels while sensors record stress points.
The robotic arms gently handle and align the approved panels for the packaging section. Sensors ensure correct stacking and spacing.
Check the alignment on line 3. Looks stable, we're running at full capacity.
Transparent protective films wrap the panels completely to prevent scratches. Rollers apply the film evenly as the conveyors move the sheets along.
Robot A is clear. Bringing in the next pallet.
Confirmed. Moving the completed stack now.
Machines form corrugated boxes automatically, folding and sealing them precisely for panel packaging.
To prevent damage, the crystal clear panels are precisely aligned by the automated system before being carefully inserted into their protective boxes.
To absorb shocks during transport, foam and padding are inserted around the panels. The robotic arms synchronize to ensure precise placement.
Inside the glass factory, automated machines print and apply shipping labels, including handling instructions.
Scanners read barcodes on each package to track inventory and confirm shipment readiness. Conveyors guide boxes under scanning heads efficiently.
After the final quality inspection, the crystal clear glass panels are carefully stacked and secured. Our team.
Inside the glass factory, packaged pallets are transferred via Slayer's warehouse. Inside the glass factory, robotic lifts carefully place pallets onto high warehouse racks.
As the pallets move along the conveyor, advanced barcode scanners and RFID sensors meticulously update the
Pallets are stored in temperature and humidity-controlled sections to maintain product integrity. Automated monitoring equipment displays real-time data.
Once the glass is formed and cooled, the final products are carefully packaged and retrieved for shipment.
Automated guided vehicles move pallets along marked routes to prepare them for distribution. Conveyors and floor sensors ensure precision.
We need this ready for the afternoon pickup. Is the documentation clear?
Yes, all checks passed. We are good to load.
Fully prepared pallets are staged at the dock, awaiting trucks for distribution. Forklifts and AGVs maintain efficiency and order.
Keep coming straight back. Right there, drop it down.
Got it. I'm securing the strap now. Looks good to go.
Here inside the glass factory, straps and braces are applied to pallets to prevent shifting during transit. Once loaded, the crystal clear products begin their journey as trucks depart for the regional hubs.
The northern route is clear. Shipment 7 is on schedule.
All right, shift the next 3 deliveries to that corridor immediately.
Once the trucks arrive at the regional hub, they are guided into designated unloading bays for immediate transfer.
All scans clear. Inventory matches the manifest. We're good to go on this pallet.
If you hold it to the light, you can really see the clarity we achieve.
It's stunning. Are these mouth blown?
Yes, every single one.
Inside the Glass Factory.